I'm going to show you. Hi. So I'm going to show you some of the techniques for the assignment for that you must be working on right now. First of all, I'm going to build the head to give a head to this character. First of all, I'm going to hide these layers, and I'm going to build a cylinder, and I'm going to bring it up. Let me see. Actually, I'm going to actually turn back on the geometry, so I know how big it should be, right? So right now the size is pretty okay. I'm going to I'm going to build a classical head once we build together, but at the time we used the different method, so it took quite a while to finish the modeling. This time I'm just going to use a straight polygon, and so first of all I'm going to select this poly cylinder 1 input, and in the channel box, and then I'm going to give us a few heights, like maybe something like that, and we can always add more or delete some if it is needed, right? So after then I'm going to right click, and then I choose a face, and I'm going to turn up the soft selection by pressing B if it is on. So you can turn on and off soft selection by press B on your keyboard. So you shouldn't see any of those colorful selection like a guide, so to speak. And for here, I'm going to just drag and select the first row of that the faces. So make sure that, right? And then after then, what I do is command and then shift on your keyboard and right click on your mouse. Again, oh actually this one is my bad. Shift and right click, and then you will see extrude face. Shift and right click, and then let it go, and then you will see these options. Right now, if you click this one, it will go back to the the pivot points of the extrusion will be placed in the center if you click this one, and after then click this ones to see the center scale thing, and make sure that key faces together is on and division is 1, and I'm going to just click and drag, and then using the scale gizmo or whatever it's called, and then lower this one, right, to control the thickness. It shouldn't be too thick, right? You can make it less thick, and that's pretty much it. And then click anywhere here to make it disappear. Click anywhere in the blank space, and this is already kind of like head shape. Like, let me press 3. It looks not bad. this should be what we should have done in the class, but I mean the other way is, if you get used to it, just as fast as you can make it even faster. So anyway, and then press 1 again on your keyboard, and click one of these, and then this time command and right click, and I just click and grow, and then these ones what we don't need. So I'm going to control while pressing down control on your keyboard, and drag and select that to unselect it, and what I'll do is I'll just get rid of that, right? And then again right click on your mouse and then select the edge, and this time I double click one of the edge, and to select all the edge loop, and then bring this one up slightly, right? And okay, and then it's almost there, right? Almost. And if you press 3 on your keyboard again, it's kind of like that, but let me double click this edge loop once again by double clicking and choose all the edge loop, and then lower this edge loop a little bit. And you know what we need is we need some bevel. So what we will do is shift and command on your keyboard. Oh, actually shift and I'm sorry, shift and right click on your keyboard, and then select the bevel edge, and then lower the fraction by left click down and press left button down, and by moving left and right you can control the amount, or you can just type the number if you're not used to that. Okay, and then it looks not bad. And then for this edge loop I like to have bevel once again. So for that, shift on your keyboard, shift, and while you're pressing down shift, right click, and then the bevel edge once again, and then lower this amount of the fraction. Okay, all right, okay, the modeling is done. Well actually, you know what, maybe edge again, right? Double click to select that edge group, and then maybe slightly move it in, so you can sculpt it a little bit better. But this is pretty much done. Yeah. Okay. So in the next video, we're gonna build some kind of simple rig on top of this. Okay.